皆さんこんにちは。My name is Yuki. I'm Japanese and now live in Japan. Today I'll talk about Japanese tongue twister. There is also tongue twisters in Japanese, which is called 早口言葉. I would like to introduce a total of 10 famous Japanese 早口言葉 for each level. 4 beginners and 3 intermediates and 3 advanced. First of all, let's start the beginner's level. Number 1 is なまむぎ、なまごめ、なまたまご. This means raw wheat, raw rice, and raw egg. This is the most famous Japanese tongue twister that every Japanese knows. Number 2 is 赤巻紙青巻紙黄巻紙. This means red rolling paper, blue rolling paper, and yellow rolling paper. Makigami means scroll, but we don't usually use this word now. Number 3 is バスガス爆発. This means the bus explodes with gas. This tongue twister is short, and bus and gas are pronounced the same as in English, so it might be easy. It's a little dangerous meaning, but please try it. Number 4 is うらにわにはにわ鶏がいる. This means there are 2 chickens in the yard. You need to know the irregular rules of Japanese pronunciation that reads は as わ. In Romaji, it's written as うらにわにわにわ鶏がいる and pronounces にわ 4 times with different meanings. Next is the intermediate section. Number 5. 隣の客はよく柿食う客だ. This means the next customer is a customer who often eats persimmons. This is also a very famous tongue twister. This is a practice for かきくけこ pronunciation. Number 6. 坊主が屏風に上手に坊主の絵を描いた. This means the monk drew a picture of the monk well on the folding screen. This is a practice of using ばびぶべぼ and ざじずぜぞ properly. Words similar to 坊主, 屏風 and 上手 are lined up. Number 7. カエルぴょこぴょこみぴょこぴょこ合わせてぴょこぴょこむぴょこぴょこ. This means 3 frogs are hopping hopping. Together 6 frogs are hopping hopping. This is also a very famous tongue twister, but the meaning is messed up in Japanese. There are similar variations such as どじょうにょろにょろみにょろにょろ合わせてにょろにょろむにょろにょろ. This means 3 roaches are slither slither. Together 6 roaches are slither slither. Then finally move on to the advanced section. I'm worried if I can say it well. Number 8. すもももももも桃の内. This means both tree and peach are peaches. This is a simple sentence but difficult to say because there are 8 mo in the sentence. Number 9 is how 新進シャンソン歌手総出演新春シャンソンショー This means up and coming chanson singer total appearance New Year chanson show. This is a practice of pronunciation of さしすせそ and しゃししゅせしょ It's difficult. And number 10. The final tongue twister is 東京特許許可局長今日急遽許可拒否 This means the director of Tokyo Patent Grant Bureau suddenly refused the vacation permit today. It's a little long and difficult. In fact, there is no organization such as Tokyo Tokyo Kyoka-kyoku in Japan. Actually, Japanese Patent Office handles patents. Tokyo Tokyo Kyoka-kyoku exists only in Japanese tongue twister. That's all. It is difficult for Japanese people to say these tongue twisters well. I'm tired now. It's also good for practicing Japanese pronunciation, so please try it. Thank you for watching. See you next week. じゃあまたね。カエルぴょこぴょこみぴょこぴょこ。新進シャンソン歌手総出演新春シャンソンショー。新進シャンソン歌手総出演新東京特許許可局長今日急遽休暇許可拒否東京特許許可局東京特許許可局長今日急遽休暇許可拒否東京特許許可局長今日急遽休暇許可東京特許許可局長今日急遽休暇許可拒否東京特許許可局今日急遽休暇許可拒否東京特許許可局長今日急遽休暇許可拒否東京特許許可局長 Shall she sell seashells on the seashore? Shall she sell seashells on the seashore? Peter Piper picked up peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where are the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a pepper of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pepper of pickled peppers, where are the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?